create a project in Claude AI, you have to click on this here. Then you come to new project. Then you can put a name that you want. So I'm going to choose my cooking. Then I'm going to click on create project. So when I create a project, anything I type about my cooking would be here. So take for example, now I click on, I need a meal planner, right? Then I'm going to click on enter. So it's going to ask me a few questions, 7 days, then any preference, no restrictions. Then this, how many people are planning to eat this meal? I'm just going to say two. Once it's done, it's going to create this, and we all know how it works, so you can steal my own meal planner. So the main thing is, if you come down to project again, you can see my cooking. So now this is how you categorize or put in different projects. You can come back to create a new project if you want, and also here in your recent, you can sort by project. When you have more projects, you can sort by project here. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.